Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your recent savings transfers in Digit. Keeping track of your savings transfer is important to monitor how much Digit has saved for you and to ensure that your money is moving correctly. Here's how to easily review your recent savings transfer. Step 1. Open the Digit app. Launch the Digit app on your mobile device, and once you're logged in with your credentials, you're going to navigate to your account dashboard. That's step 2. So once you're in, you're going to land on the app's main dashboard or home screen. This area shows you an overview of your savings goals, balances, and of course your recent activity. Step 3, find the activity or transaction section. So just look for a tab or a button that's labeled activity or transaction, or it could be labeled transfer history. Usually you can find this near the bottom of the screen or in the menu. Tap this section to view your detailed transaction history. Step 4, review your recent savings transfer. Now in this section, you're going to see a chronological list of all your recent savings activities, including amount saved, dates and times of each transfers, descriptions or notes on what the transfers were for. Step 5, filter or search transactions if available. Some versions of the app allows you to filter transfer by date range or specific savings goals. You can use these filters to narrow down your search and find specific transfers quickly. Step 6, verify transfer status. Check for any pending or failed transfers. The Digit usually marks transfers as completed, pending, or failed. If you notice any failed transfers, you can contact customer support to resolve the issue. Step 7, export or save transaction history. If you want to keep records or share your savings activity, see if the app provides an option to export your transaction history as a PDF or spreadsheet. By regularly checking your savings transfers, you can stay on top of your financial goals and to ensure Digit is working effectively for you. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.